Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix missing number keys row on Samsung keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So let's start. So if I open my Samsung keyboard, you can see it's now opened and you can see number keys row is missing. So to fix it, you have to open your Samsung keyboard settings. So to open it, you can just tap on Samsung keyboard settings, this icon. Okay, let me tap on it. You can see it's now opened. And also guys, you can open Samsung keyboard settings by using another method. So let me show you. Okay, so just open your settings app and then scroll down to general management and then tap on it, and you can see here we have Samsung keyboard settings. So just tap on it to open it. Let me tap on it. You can see it's now opened. Now scroll down to layout and then tap on it, and you can see here we have number keys. So we have to enable it. So to enable it, you have to enable this toggle button next to it. So to enable this toggle button, just tap on it so that this slider moves to the right. So let me show you. Let me tap on it. You can see it's now enabled, and now you can see the number keys row on Samsung keyboard. Okay, so it's now fixed. You can see. So that's it. Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos.